Hi, Sunday the 6th of December, finished work and getting ready to go home on Tuesday, so no more work on the loft conversion, so I thought we'd go on a little tour. Up here you can see that the stairs are all boarded off and we've got a door on the loft which hopefully will protect it from downstairs, and here all the loft is boarded, ready. Well, a little bit more to do because I've got to do inside the storerooms. So I've built a storeroom which will go in again in a minute, and a utilities room for all of the electrics and the water heater. Got all the doors on and hung. A bit dark in here, but just need to board out in here and board the separating wall. And so here we've got the water heater, the fuse box for upstairs, and the extractor fan for the bathroom. And you've got the sun tunnel which I've got to connect into the floor in the utilities room. So a bit of a squeeze in there, but using it as storage at the moment. As I said, a bit more work on the outside here to do, but the work on the ceiling is done. So all three doors are on and hung. Chimney breasts, both ends are plasterboarded, insulation board. In fact, there's insulation board on all of the external walls there and the lower sections of the walls, and then plasterboard with superfoil. Superfoil is 40 layers of foil and insulation all here. So that should hopefully provide insulation for the winter and hopefully keep the heat out a little bit. So I've made the ceiling quite high, and we'll have downlighters here, and then it keeps the A-frame of the roof on show. So yeah, all done. Pretty pleased actually. A few bits of finishing off to do. Insulation board up there that I ran out of the mud to stick it on the wall with, but I'll get that all done next visit, and all the little bits of plasterboard filling in done, and then it'll all be ready for plasterboard in sometime next year. Okay, cheers.